Today, we're going to learn about Vikings. Ooh, nice sword.
The Vikings came from the cold northern lands of Scandinavia. That's Norway, Sweden, and Denmark today. They weren't just warriors, they were farmers, traders, and shipbuilders too. But they were most famous for their longships and their bold voyages across the seas. Viking longships were super fast and could sail in deep oceans and shallow rivers. With their dragon-shaped prows, they looked scary to the enemies. These ships helped Vikings explore, raid, and trade all over Europe, and even sail to North America. Vikings raided towns and monasteries in England, Ireland, and France, often surprising people with their speed. But they didn't just fight, they also settled in new lands. They built towns, married locals, and became parts of new cultures. One famous Viking leader, Ragnar Lothbrok, became a legendary warrior in many stories. Vikings fought with axes, swords, and round wooden shields. They wore helmets, though not the horned ones you see in cartoons. They used clever battle tactics, and sometimes entire armies followed a strong Viking king into battle.
Harder now! We raid at dawn! Push through the waves!
Did you know Vikings reached as far as Russia, the Middle East, and even Canada? A Viking named Leif Erikson may have been the first European to set foot in North America, 500 years before Christopher Columbus. So next time you hear thunder, imagine the sound of Viking ships cutting through the waves. They were more than just warriors. They were explorers, inventors, and storytellers. Thanks for joining the adventure, and let's keep exploring history together.
Now, don't forget to like and subscribe.